Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oblique triangle. Definition: an oblique triangle is any triangle that is not a right triangle. Acute triangles and obtuse triangles are oblique triangles. In solving oblique triangles, we have to make use of the relations between the sides A, B, C and the angles alpha, beta, gamma of such triangles, which are called law of cosine, law of sines and law of tangents. The law of cosine. First law: a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc into cos of alpha. Here small a, small b, small c are sides of triangle, and we can write this relation in this form also by taking the values of b square plus c square and a square on one side of the equation, and this term we can take this term on the other side of the equation. Then we can divide both sides by 2bc, and now we can get cos of alpha, and we can write this equation in another form. This is also law of cosine, and this is b square. This equation is written in b square is equal to c square plus a square minus 2ca into cos of beta form, and this form also can be converted in this form. This is also law of cosine. Next, the law of sines. A over sine of alpha is equal to b over sine of beta is equal to c over sine of gamma. By writing any two terms equal, we can also write these two terms equal, and we also can write this term equals to this term. In the law of sines, the law of tangent. First rule is tan alpha minus beta by 2 over tan of alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to a minus b over a plus b. Is second law of tangents, second formula, and this one is the third formula. Solution of oblique triangles. A triangle can be constructed if one side and two angles are given, or two sides and their included angles are given, or three sides are given. In the same way, we can solve an oblique triangle if one side and two angles are known. Second, two sides and their included angle are known, or three sides are known. Now case 1. When measures of one side and two angles are given, in this case the law of sines can be applied. Now exercise 12.4. This is the first question. Solve the triangle ABC if beta is given, gamma is given, and one side B is also given. To solve this triangle, we have to find side C, side A, and the angle alpha. Because two angles are given, beta and gamma, we can easily find the third angle alpha by using this rule: alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 180 degree, and alpha finally is 105 degree. Using law of sines, A over sine alpha is equal to b over sine beta. Because b is also given, beta is given, alpha we have found, so it will be very easy for us to find A by using b, beta and alpha. After putting values of b, beta and alpha in this expression, we get A is equal to B over sine of beta into sine of alpha. When we put values here, after simplification, we get A is equal to this one. Now, we have to find C, side C. For this, we can use law of sine. C over sine gamma is equal to B over sine beta, because B is also given, beta is also given, and gamma is also given, and we have to find side C. For this purpose, we will put C on one side of the equation and B over beta into sine of gamma. Now, after putting the values of B, beta and gamma, and after simplifying, we get C is equal to this one. Now A is this and C is this and alpha is this. As we have found 6 elements of this triangle, it means we have solved the triangle, because we should complete 6 elements of any triangle. Similarly, the question number 3 of exercise 12.4, we are given B is equal to, side B is equal to 125, gamma is equal to 53 degree, and alpha is equal to 47 degree. This information is given, and these things we have to find: side A, side C and beta angle. As we know this rule, the sum of 3 angles is always equals to 180 degrees. So putting alpha and gamma in this information, we can easily find beta, that is 80 degree. Now, using law of sines, A over sine alpha is equal to B over sine beta. Because B is given, we have found beta, and alpha is also given. When we put 3 values in this expression, we can easily find the value of A. Similarly, when we use law of sines, because we have to find side C, we will use C over sine gamma is equal to B over sine beta. We can write this expression also in this form: C is equal to B over sine beta multiply sine of gamma. When we put the values in that expression, we can get the result of side C. It means we have found 3 remaining elements of the triangle. It means we have solved this triangle.